Welcome to ECTE laboratory. In this video I am going to show you very first VHDL program by programming AND gate in VHDL using ModelSim. I am start with opening ModelSim by double clicking on ModelSim, starting with file to new project. Yes, continue. So project name is our AND gate. So project name is AND gate. Press OK. Create new file. File name is AND gate, and here file type is VHDL. So press OK. Now here, so close this, and here is your create file by .vhd. Type VHDL. So right click here and press edit. So here is edit window. So now we are in edit window. In edit window we are using the data flow modeling architecture to implement the AND logic gate. This program will help us understand now to declare input and output ports in our VHDL program. I will also show us the implementation of the assignment operator. For time save, I first write program here. So copy this program, into our edit window. Right click here and paste it. So VHDL code for AND gate. Header files declaration. Library IEEE is header file. Use IEEE.std logic 1164.r is also a header file. So entity name is AND gate. So port A port is standard logic. AND gate input IN in red color is for input, and B is equal to second input of AND gate, and Y is the output of our AND gate. So and our entity AND gate architecture definition. Architecture and logic for AND gate is being Y is equal to A and B. So this is our architecture and logic. Now save. So our program is saved. Right click here, compile. To compile, select it here. Compile of ng.vhd was successful. So right tick is here as status. So our VHDL AND gate program is correct and compiled. Now we check some simple. So after compiling, we are going to library to work to AND gate. So here double click on AND gate. So now your objects. So we have 2 inputs and 1 output. So we simulate our AND gate on waves. So for simulation we add waves by clicking add to waves and all item in region. So click here. So waves are going here. So our A, we put A as, right click here to change the value of input A. Go to force to value of A is 1. So press OK. Now same with B. Right click here, force the value is 1. Press OK. So you can see So now I run my gate simulation and gate simulation by clicking on this run button. So you can see the output waves. This is a 100 nanoseconds waves. So then run again, and you can see, so after changing the value of, by right clicking, put 0, press OK. Now run again, and you can see changing in output by, we can see this by zoom. So you can see this is A is 1 in 200 nanoseconds, value of B is 1, and then value we put it 0, so output is 0. Now I am signing out by promising to meet you again very soon with another video. Till then, if you are watching on YouTube, please do not forget to hit like button and share my video. Thank you.